Hi there, I'm Kendra, and I lead the AI and data teams here at Xero. There's a lot of talk these days about artificial intelligence, or AI to its friends. It's often touted as the best thing since sliced bread, but it can also feel overwhelming when you're trying to figure out how to make use of it in your business. So let's take a few minutes to dig into what AI actually means for small businesses today. Think of AI as a tool, like a hammer. Just like a hammer, AI can be extremely helpful in the right situations and less useful, or maybe even dangerous, in the wrong ones. Used well, AI can create a magical whole is greater than the sum of the parts experience, where humans and AI work in really close partnership and accomplish things faster and with less effort. Harnessing that partnership is letting companies of many sizes deliver new and better experiences by removing manual toil and providing really helpful insights at a hyper-personalised level for customers. For small business, AI has the potential to significantly streamline and enhance accounting practices and reduce the overhead of running a successful business. Learning to work with AI can give your business a competitive edge, and that is nothing to worry about. Xero's customers, accountants, bookkeepers, and small business owners make countless decisions every day. They log and categorise spend, approve expenses, figure out if they'll have enough cash in the bank to make payroll, and order a few more thousand of those wingle-dingles that are flying off the shelf this month. For each of these decisions, AI can help make the process easier, faster, and better informed. If you're managing paper bills and invoices in Xero, for example, AI is quietly at work for you every time you upload a new document, thanks to intelligent form filling and credit note detection. Busy reconciling all your bank statements? AI is right there, suggesting the best matches from your contacts and accounts. These products look through the patterns and trends of the data flowing through the Xero platform. And, perhaps the best news of all, every time you point out a mistake, by changing a suggested account or correcting the extracted receipt amount, for instance, you're feeding back vital information that will help the AI get better and better. You probably interact with AI every day, from unlocking your smartphone with your face print, to reordering your favourite groceries, to your go-to daily mix of great new music and old favourites. In the Xero Small Business platform, AI is automating your repetitive tasks and providing timely insights into the rhythm of your business. It's like the second pair of hands you've always needed. Well, to give a really tangible example, I'm still folding and sorting my own laundry. As much as I would love for clothes to spring magically from washing basket to cupboards and drawers, it turns out that 4D challenge of recognising, grasping and manipulating clothes of all shapes and sizes is still well beyond what AI can manage. To build some intuition, it's helpful to know about the distinction between general artificial intelligence and narrow artificial intelligence. General AI is just what it sounds like. A generally smart, reasoning entity that can tackle many and varied tasks and learn from its lived experience. Narrow AI, on the other hand, is fantastically efficient at performing a particular task. And that's it. Narrow AI is not going to be reading the kids' bedtime stories. Expert consensus says that general AI is a long way off. Narrow AI, on the other hand, will be more and more useful, just as fast as we humans can define the problems well enough and build the datasets needed to train the algorithms. And used wisely, narrow AI will continue to help remove toil from your day-to-day, every day. Trying to sort the truly useful from the flaky hype cycle? Let me share a great rule of thumb. If you can figure out the answer to the question in a couple of seconds or less, and if 5 other humans would likely come to the same answer, then AI is probably going to do a reasonable job of answering that question or completing that task for you. More complex or less clear-cut than that, it's probably best to stick to using humans for that type of decision for the next few years at least. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found some of this useful and can figure out how to put AI to work in your business.